Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for the Quick Tech tutorial, I will be showing you how to download and install the TikTok Lite application. So for that, open the Google Play Store. Once you open that, tap on search bar and there type in TikTok Lite. And then tap on search. It will show you the TikTok Lite application. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. This process of downloading is for the Android users. So if you are using a iOS, you need to go to the App Store on your phone device and download the TikTok Lite app. Once the downloading process is completed, tap on open. Then you will need to get logged in into the account. So this is how you can download and install the TikTok Lite application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.